Bonjour les enfants, it's so lovely to have you back. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi 14 septembre. Lundi 14th of September. Can you remember who am I? How did I introduce myself last week? Can you pause the video and tell Mrs. Stevens? Bravo les enfants, well done children. Last week, I introduced myself and I said, Je m'appelle Madame Dale. What about you? Can you introduce yourself? So my question is, comment t'appelles-tu? Can you pause the video and tell Mrs. Stevens in French who you are? Well done children, you are doing so well. Right. Today our new topic is going to be about French pronunciation. Now, what is pronunciation? Can you explain to Mrs. Stevens what pronunciation is? Let's just pause the video and have a little chat. That's right. Pronunciation is the way you say things, the way you pronounce things. Each language does have different rules and different ways to say things. Let's have a look, shall we? Right. Our first pronunciation we're going to learn is wa. Wa. O and I put together makes a wa sound. So what you need to do is put your mouth in an O shape, then you make a W sound and open your mouth wide suddenly. Shall we have a go together? Wa, wa. You've done it. O and I is a wa sound. Now listen to the words. You would say trois. You would say au revoir, au revoir. You would say poisson, poisson. And you would say noir, noir. So these words are quite useful because trois means three. Au revoir means goodbye. Poisson means fish. And noir means black. Okay, children? O and I together makes a wa sound. So you know the rule now. Can you just have a go yourself? Pratiquez. Can you try to say the words in the box here aloud? Can you say the words to Mrs. Stevens? Welcome back. Well done for trying. So listen carefully. This word here would be soixante. Soixante. Can you repeat after me? Soixante. This word here is poisson. Poisson. Repeat after me. Poisson. This word here is boîte. Boîte. Repeat after me. Boîte. Well done, children. So we know that O and I is a wa sound. I'm going to say them again. Trois. Au revoir. Poisson. Noir. Soixante. Poisson. Boîte. Hello again. Another very common pronunciation in France is when you have an E and an N or an A and an N together. These two sound exactly the same. So it makes it quite tricky to spell them sometimes. So these words are pronounced en. En. So what you do, your mouth is open and in an O shape. In an O shape. Your tongue is behind your bottom teeth and say the sound through your nose. Okay? So that would be blanc. Vendredi. Orange. Okay? Repeat after me. Blanc. Vendredi. Orange. Can you have a little go yourself? Can you have a little practice and try to pronounce these words on here? Can you share them with Mrs. Stephens? You are little stars. Well done. This one would be enfant. Enfant. Have you noticed, in fact, you have E and an N and an A and an N. So you have the same pronunciation twice in this word. Enfant. Enfant. Dent. Mange. Okay, repeat after me. Enfant. Dent. Mange. Well done, children. Enfant means child. Dent means in. And mange means to eat. Well done for working so hard. Welcome back, children. Now, these letters are often found together and the pronunciation is very common. So when you have an I and an N together, or an A-I-N together, or an U and an N together, they make a sound. A sound. Okay, can you repeat after me? A. Okay, so this first word here will be lapin. Lapin. Repeat after me. Lapin. This one will be cinq. Cinq. Repeat after me. Cinq. And finally, this bottom one will be jardin. Jardin. Repeat after me. Jardin. Can you pause the video and tell Mrs. Stephens how would you pronounce these words here? Have a go. Good, try again, children. So this is how you would pronounce these sentences. Are you listening? Le lapin a pris un bain avec du pain. Le lapin a pris un bain avec du pain. The rabbit had a bath with some bread, believe it or not. Let's just have a look at a sentence, the second one. Le lapin a mangé du pain. Le lapin a mangé du pain. The rabbit ate some bread. It's hard to believe, isn't it? Well done, children. You are doing so well. Welcome back, children. This is our last pronunciation. E and a U together. You will find in French a lot of words with the E and a U together. So E and a U together makes a sound. A sound. Just imagine that you are sticking out your tongue and then saying that you don't like something. So this is how you would pronounce these words. You would say bleu, bleu. Repeat after me, bleu. You would say les yeux, les yeux. Repeat after me, les yeux. You would say les cheveux, les cheveux. Repeat after me, les cheveux. Well done. Can you have a go at seeing them yourself? Have a little go. Just going to pause the video. Just say the words to Mrs. Stevens. That is great, children. So the words would be paresseux, paresseux, which means lazy. The next one would be jeu, jeu, which means toys. And the last one would be feu, feu, which means fire. You have done so well, children. Now, I have given Mrs. Stevens a little game. These are pictures and words. You have 1, 2, and 3 set. Perhaps you could play bingo with it. So, Mrs. Stevens is going to say a word. You will have a sheet each. You will have to have the same. You will have a sheet each. And as soon as you hear the word and you have it in your little box, you just stick it. And the aim of the game is to have 4 crosses in each box. So it means you've got all the words. And if you are the first one to have them all, you become the winner. And if you become the first winner, you can have 2 stampers. Well done, children. So looking forward to teach you next week again. À bientôt. See you soon.